Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 4a with a crack on the display, so it's not going to work. So we're going to replace it with a new one. Let's go! This Google Pixel 4a has been fixed before, so the client is going here for us for another fix. I'm not really sure if it was fixed here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, but by the fact that when you open this smartphone, the retention clip for the display is not anymore there, so it's surely not David. So you can get away without the retaining clips for the screen connector, but it's really recommended that you have that one, because if you drop your smartphone and you don't have that retaining clip, the connections can be loosened and you will have a faulty display. So David is gonna fix this one, and the adhesives, the old adhesives here is being cleaned so that we can put on the replacement display without any problem later on. So right now we're gonna go on a segue. So this one is gonna be, it's another smartphone that needs a tempered glass. So David is gonna fix this one. Maybe there's a dirt underneath the display, which is common on new applications of tempered glass. So if you don't know how to do it, this is how it should be done. Okay, but honestly, I use this technique on an iPhone 11 Pro Max and it works just by looking at this one. So you can copy this if you want to, because tempered glass is really recommended if you want to prolong the display and avoid cracks on your display. So this is a screen for the earpiece. So when you call, you have that earpiece so you can hear the person on the other line. So this one is going to be replaced, and the display will be tested first before we put on new adhesives on the side. So it's still gonna work without the retaining clip, but it's really recommended that you have that one. So David will have to do without that retaining clip on this fix. So the problem with this smartphone is it wasn't shut down. So when you put the replacement display on the connector, it turned on immediately. So that's the effect if you don't have the retaining clip and the screws on its proper place. So fresh application of liquid glue is also being done here. So David is kind of really an expert when it comes to this kind of repairs, salvage repairs. So the trick here is to turn on the smartphone the whole time, so that we know that the connector is still connected without the clip. So right here, David is turning it on and then pressing it while the smartphone is turned on, which is kind of not really how he's doing it typically, but this time it's a different case. So, and it's still turning on. So we're almost done. So if you have a Google Pixel smartphone, any model, I think David has done a lot of these kind of repairs in the past. So if you have an iPhone 2 or a Samsung, David can almost do anything with a specific smartphone brand or model. So just leave him a message so that he can check the inventory if we have the parts necessary to fix your smartphone. If you're outside of Sydney, you can mail in your smartphone so we can fix it here in the shop and send it back to you wherever you live. So this one is almost done. We're just gonna let the glue dry and cure. We're gonna clean it up while it's drying. And thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.